Hello. In this presentation, we'll explore flower arranging, connecting children to nature and inviting them to bring beauty into their environment. This activity fosters independence, environmental care, and an appreciation for aesthetics in young learners. To begin, set up a tray with a small vase, water jug, child-safe scissors, cloth, funnel, and fresh flowers. Prepare the table with a protective mat and an additional cloth to catch spills and maintain a tidy workspace. Invite the child with a warm tone, asking, "Would you like to arrange some beautiful flowers today?" Then carry the tray to their work area. Demonstrate by carefully pouring water into the vase using the funnel, emphasizing precision. Next, select a flower, trim its stem at an angle, and gently place it into the vase. Continue adding flowers until the arrangement feels balanced, allowing each bloom to shine. Once complete, wipe the table clean and neatly put away all materials. Finally, invite the child to choose a special spot for their beautiful new floral creation. Children naturally notice the scent, vibrant color, and intricate symmetry of flowers. These sensory details become their primary focus. Control of error is inherent. If the vase is overfilled or unbalanced, the visual outcome prompts self-correction. It's crucial to avoid correcting a child's aesthetic choices. The goal is personal expression and the joy of creation. Extension activities include changing water daily, learning flower names, or sketching arrangements, deepening their connection to nature. Through flower arranging, children experience grace and care, discovering the profound art of making their world more beautiful.